Hello, we're back in the build. We're just putting a mix on, so I just thought I'd show you this stuff. I haven't been recording, it's just been getting little bits up, so we've got front up and we're on back, just put it back up the other side, so there's not a lot to see. So I haven't been recording, but I thought I'd show you this because I've had a few questions about it. We use Mism sand in our mix. It's called Mism Grey, but it's basically yellow. But yeah, this is the mix that we've been putting in when it's been too cold. So this is it, we've been trying two types. I've been using these for years. This is first one we've used, winter mix it's called. And you put it in when you know it's going to freeze. And what it does is, so it says there, look, improves plasticity and durability of mortar, which it doesn't. It doesn't at all. Collide free, combines mortar acceleration with frostproofing, which that's why we get it. So if you have a look on the back, oh my god, I'll clean that off a minute. You can't really see it, but it says don't put the mix on when it's less than 4 degrees. Basically the stuff that you're putting in. So you do need it 4 degrees at the start, and then the temperature can drop. But you do need it alright at the start. There's no point in putting it on at -2 because it ain't going to work. And then it goes down to -8 and gives you protection. And what it does is it goes off faster as well. But you cannot use plasticizer with it. I have tried it and it just don't go off. So it is pointless putting plasticizer in when you've got this in. But it's good stuff. But the problem is the mix is absolutely terrible. I'll show you that in a minute when Tim's got mix on. Then we've got this one, Silica one, Frostproofer and hardener, and it's basically both. And you can put it in concrete, same as that, does concrete and everything else. And it's the exact same. Start at 4 degrees. Does it say start? Yeah, it should be 40 degrees. And then tells you how much to put in, and then it says here for cement protection down to -4, and then it says here down to -4 and 5L per 50 kg of cement protection down to -8. So I don't know what that is. Cement protection down to -4, and then it says cement protection down to -8. It probably depends on how much cement you're putting in or whatever. But yeah, 36 months shelf life. Stored in dry conditions away from direct sunlight, 5 degrees and 40 degrees, +40. I mean unless you got it inside, it ain't going to be up to +40, is it? That's bloody hot. So that's just water in that one. It ran out. We're not just sloshing loads and loads in. But yeah, you can see it's not a great mix at all. So down to whether it's worth it putting it in, well, it's completely up to you. We put it in when we know it's going to go cold that night. So, you know, 3 degrees, start laying, and then put that stuff in. And then basically, you know, when it's going to drop that neat, you're going to be safe. But we do still cover it up with SCN and things like that. We've got our SCN sheets on, and that gives us protection as well on a night. But you can see on some of the wall, I'm just trying to find the spot, we have had a bit of frost damage. So if this were brickwork, it'd be, I mean, we've just rough pointed this, but if it were brickwork, see it? Just a couple of mil, look. That's what frost got into just on front of mix, but rest of it, look, see it? But that's solid. So it's worked on here, but like if you're doing brickwork, that'd be no good, would it? So you got to watch what you're doing, really. That was a really cold day though. But yeah, so we put it in, but it is terrible stuff to lay with, really bad. Water comes out of it. It says it goes off quicker. Doesn't seem to go off quicker at all, especially when it's cold days. But it probably does, but not by a lot. I mean, you put plasticizer in when it's freezing cold like this, and it'll still be wet next day. At least this goes off that night. This is the other side, look, that we're just getting up. So we've got 3 course. I think customers just ring scaffolders, see if we can get us a lift. Hopefully tomorrow would be good. But yeah, we're nearly there. We get all on here. Screw up to second. Oh god. So yeah, look, I can only reach to here, so we'll just use it up just to get as high as we can. And then we'll only need 2 lifts, and we're going to need something along back of there as well. We need something to get over there, if you can do it, scaffolder, which would be great. Lines everywhere. Then, look, inside, if you haven't been watching, these up last videos, got his internal walls up, and we're just waiting on the steel as well. We're not waiting for them, we've got things to do. But yeah, done quite a bit. And this is we've been using it on all this stuff, the mix. It's set pretty. This war 3 days ago, so yeah, it's worked. But we have had some where it has got too frosty, and it's just done that I was talking about, where a little bits come off. So yeah, I don't really know what to advise for it. Obviously, you're better off just laying when it's warm. It's summer, but nothing ever works like that, does it? You've got to get it. You've got to get the job done. But yeah, you don't want to be laying in below 3 really. Anyway, it's supposed to be 3 and rising. You know, I'd put a mix. If I know it's going to be all right, I'll put a mix on it. You know, 2 degrees, get set up. By the time I come to use it, it's usually about 3, 4, and then rising, and it's usually all right. Especially with this stuff in as well. So we use it. But yeah, it's up to you whether you think it's good enough. But get a bottle and try it if you've never tried it before. But I do warn you, it's going to be terrible to use. Terrible. Howdens have just turned up. They turn up on most of my jobs and like, have you got an account? Yes, I have. As a customer might have one, so give them a few bucks and stuff, because there's some kitchens and what have you, everything, doors, skirtings. So, and I get a couple of free books and pencils. Nice. Chickens. Forget everywhere these things. So this is it, look. So it's not great, but it is usable. We just got his insulation in, and we insulate around them most at times. Do you know, as caps, keeps them on a bit better. Ooh. It is cold today, but well, it ain't cold. It's like, I think it's about 6 degrees today. 10. So yeah, it is quite warm, but you can feel wind up here though. Yeah, I just started doing a little update really, because I'm not recording this because we're just basically just finishing off the Winterlight, and that's basically it then. We'll get another video on when all the rest of the stuff come, steels and all that stuff, unless I think of something else to make a video, but hopefully next week. Alright, so that's it for this one. So if you enjoyed this video, or you've enjoyed all the ones, leave a comment, tell me what you think of that mix if you've used it, because whether it's rubbish, whether it's good, and let me know if you put it in or not. See whether it is worth it, and other people that watch the video, they'll probably read the comments and see how good it is and stuff. Alright, catch you in the next one. See you later.